Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you guys can see, I am at my favorite store. I'm at CVS. And guys, I have some incredible deals for you today. I have some glitches. We're going to get some cheap Dawn. We're going to get some cheap cereal. And we are just going to save in this video. So make sure that you download Ibotta. If you haven't done that, please do so. Once you download your Ibotta app, make sure that you also download Fetch. If you haven't done that, I will put both of the links in the description box as well as in the comments. So all you have to do is click on the link and go ahead and set up your account. And remember, if you're a first-time Ibotta user, the first time you redeem a rebate, you're going to get $10 plus the amount of your rebate. Then you're going to share your link with all your friends and family, and when they download when they redeem their first rebate, they're going to get $10 and you're going to get $10. Same with Fetch. When you upload your first receipt with Fetch, you're going to get 2,000 points. That equals out to $2. Guys, we have some amazing stuff going on. We have some money to give you to put in your pockets to get some gas, to help pay for those groceries, and just save. So get your phones out so you can do some screenshots, get your inserts out, and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so the first deal we're going to do is we're going to grab some Captain Crunch cereal. It's on sale for $1.99. Now that's not the only one that's on sale. There's a bunch of different cereals on sale, but the only reason I'm grabbing the Captain Crunch is because we have a coupon for it and we have an Ibotta offer for it. So I'm going to grab two of them. That's going to be $4. I'm going to use this coupon, which is in your 5-1 Smart Source. That's going to bring my total down to $3.98 at the register. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and get $1 for each box. Now you see that it only shows on the picture the regular Captain Crunch, but it does attach to the Crunch Berries. So that means, guys, you're going to get 2 boxes and it's going to be 50 cents a box. Excellent deal for some cereal. Okay, the next deal we're going to do, guys, is on the Voss water, and I want to thank Crazy Deals and Still for posting this deal because I had no idea it was going on. But the Voss waters are on sale this week, 2 for $6, and as you can see, it's also not tagged in my store. So I'm going to grab these. I don't know if it's the blue ones and the white ones, but I'm going to take it up to the scanner and see if the blue and the white. This is the one I'm not sure about. I know the white ones are, so let's see about the blue ones. So it says they're $3.99. So let me double check that the white ones are also. So the white ones are $3.19 a piece, or 2 for $6. So make sure you guys get these and not the blue ones. So these are on sale, 2 for $6. So you're going to clip the digital coupon in your CVS app right here, which gives you $2 back for buying 2. Let me grab another one before I forget. So that's going to take $2 off, so that means we're going to pay $4 at the register. Now, look in your inbox dollars account. You may have a $2 off 2 coupon in there. If you do, it's going to glitch with the $2 digital that's in the CVS app. Unfortunately, I don't have that coupon in my inbox dollars account. I don't know if it's no longer available or what, because like I said, I didn't know about this deal until I watched the video for Crazy Steals and Deals. But if you have that, that'll glitch, and that'll take $2 more off, and then you're going to submit your receipt to Checkout 51. Well, Checkout 51 is going to give you $2 for each one of those. So we're going to get back $4 from Checkout 51. So guess what, guys? That means this water is absolutely free. this is what our first transaction looks like. So we're going to head up to the register and we'll be back with the receipt. Alrighty, so here is my receipt from the Voss water and the Captain Crunch. You see the water was 2 for $6. The Captain Crunch each were $1.99. There's the $1 off 2 manufacturer coupon that I use for the cereal. And then there's the $2 digital coupon I use for the Voss water. So my total came to $6.98. As I said, there were no extra bucks that we got back from this deal. But I did submit my receipt to Ibotta. And here you see that I got the $2 back from Ibotta for my cereal. And I don't know what's going on with Checkout 51, and I probably should have checked my app before I made the video, because my app only now it says $1.50 for the Voss water. Now I checked when I open up my Checkout 51 app. I check all the offers, whether I'm getting them or not, because I just never know if I'm going to get them or not. So when I submitted my receipt, it picked up both of the offers, and it said that I claimed $6, and my receipt is still pending. So I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know if I'm going to get $6 back, if I'm going to get credit for 2, which would be $3, because my offers were only $1.50. I'm just not sure. But as long as I get something back, I'm fine with that. But I will update you guys in the community tab to let you know exactly what I got back. Okay, guys, I've been waiting for these vitamins to go on sale. So we're looking at the Natures Bounty the Natures Bounty Jelly Bean Vitamins. They're buy one, get one half off. So they're $14.79. And you can get the energy, you can get the sleep, you can get either one of these sleeps. You can get the immune, the multi, or the kids. It doesn't matter, just as long as you're getting one of 2 of the jelly beans. So you're definitely going to buy 2. So they're buy one get one half off. So you're going to pay $14.79 for one, but then the other one you're going to get half off. So that's going to be like $7.40. So grab whatever 2 you want. And then so I'm going to grab one of the energy, and I'm going to grab one of the do I want to get the multi or the immune? I'm going to get one of the immune, okay? So these are going to be the 2 that I'm going to grab. Okay, now, you want to look in your save insert that just came out this week, because there is a $3 off coupon, okay? You can use 2 of them. Now, if you don't have 2 of the save inserts, look in an old save insert, because there's still another one. Excuse me, and it expired on the 29th, May 29th. But if your CVS takes expired coupons, you can still use it because it's in the 14-day window. Now, if you don't have that, excuse me, I need a drink of water. Use the $3 one, and then use like this $2 one, so you'll still be saving, okay? So you say you're going to spend $14.79 plus $7.40. That's going to take us to about $22. I'm also going to use a $4 off 20 vitamin CRT. So then that's going to be a total of $10 off at the register, okay? But then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and Ibotta has a rebate. Buy 2, get $14.99 back. Guys, this is an incredible money maker. So make sure you grab those vitamins. And like I said, you can get any of them. So we're going to head up to the register and see what are out of pocket. All right, here's our receipt for the vitamins. So you see they were $14.79, and then one was half off for $7.40. I used the 2 $3 manufacturer coupons, and then I used the $4 off 20 any vitamin CRT. So I paid $12.18 out of pocket, no extra bucks back. But I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got back $14.99 from Ibotta. So when you do the math, that means this is a $2.81 money maker. Alrighty, guys. So our next deal is going to be on some Hallmark items. This week, there is a special for CVS. Buy any 2 Hallmark items and get a $3 extra buck. Now, when they say any, they mean any. So you can get any of the bags, the paper, the tags, the bowls, the cards. You can get anything. But I already have a ton of cards, so I'm not getting any cards. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of the bowls and some of the bags. So I'm also going to pair this in with a $3 off 4 items CRT. So although the special says buy any 2, I have to get a total of 4 so I can apply my CRT. So guys, this is actually going to be a money maker for me. So I'm going to grab one of these bowls. I'm going to get these here because these I use for my baby shower gifts and for my baskets and things. So I'm going to grab one of these. This is $1.79. And then I'm going to grab 3 of these bags. Now these bags I use as thank you gifts for my customers and things, and they're only 49 cents. So I don't have any of the lime green ones, so I'm going to grab 3 of those, okay? So that's a total of 4 items. So that's $1.50 plus $1.79. We're going to get $3 off at the register, and then we're going to get $3 back in extra bucks. So I will take this up to the register so you can see our outcome. Okay, actually guys, I'm going to pair in another deal with those Hallmark cards. I'm going to grab this extra strength CVS pain reliever. It's nothing but CVS brand Tylenol. And the reason I'm going to grab that is because I have a bunch of CRTs that they gave me. They gave me one last week, and then they gave me some more this week. So here you see I have $3 off CVS Health brand pain CRTs. So 2 of them are expiring soon, and one's not expiring to the 12th. But I got 2 last week. I didn't use them, and then I got 1 this week. So I'm going to go ahead and use them on that. So that's a total of $9. So that'd be 29 cents for these. So let's take these up to the register. Okay guys, so here's our receipt for the Hallmark items as well as the CVS pain relief. So you see I got 3 of the bags and 1 of the ribbons, and then the CVS pain reliefs. So my $3 off CVS pain CRTs came off, and the $3 off for Hallmark CRT came off. So I paid a total of 55 cents out of pocket, and I got back a $3 extra buck. So then that makes this a $2.45 money maker. Alrighty, so our next deal is going to be on the U by Kotex pads, and they are this week. They're on sale. Buy one, get one half off, and when you spend $15, you get $5 back in extra bucks. So let's make this so that we can get to the $15 the easiest way. And also we have some fetch rebates that we're going to pair in with these, okay? Okay, so these are the different fetch apps that we have, fetch rebates, and some of them require you to get overnights, extra heavy. Some are select varieties, and then these are select varieties. So I'm going to grab like one of each, because I'm not sure what's going to attach to the fetch rebates and what aren't, which ones aren't, because unfortunately fetch doesn't allow you to scan anything. So I'm going to grab one of these. These are $6.99. And okay, I'm going to grab one of these teens, which is $7.99. So we're going to at least pay for the $7.99 and get the $6.99 half off. So the deal is spend $15 and get $5 back. So that's $7, and then half of $6.99 would be $3.15. So we're not at our $15 yet. So let's grab I'm gonna grab one of these, because these are pictured also. These are $6.79, and I know these are easy for me to resell. So I'm gonna get these at 6. Wait, I think these are the wrong ones. Yeah, I don't think this big thing, yeah, that's in the wrong place. So these are $6.99 right here. So I'm gonna get these 3. So we're gonna head up to the register. I'm also going to use 3 of these coupons for $2 off. Yes, they expired on 6/4, but we can still use them as long as your CVS takes expired coupons we're within the 14-day rule. And then I have a $4 off 16 you buy Kotex CRT. So let's head up to the register. You can see these are the 3 that I'm getting. Okay guys, so here's my receipt. I paid full price for the $7.99. I got the half price for the $6.99, and then I paid full price for the $6.99. I used 3 of the $2 off paper coupons, the $4 off 16 any you buy Kotex CRT, and then I used $3 in extra bucks to lower my out-of-pocket. So my out-of-pocket was $8.27. I got back a $5 extra buck. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and here you can see all 3 offers came off, plus I got some cents. So that meant I got back, this is blurry, I'm sorry guys, I got back $4.52. So when we do the math, this is actually a money maker. So when you do the math, this is a 78-cent money maker. I'd say this is an excellent deal, guys. Okay everyone, so this is our entire haul. We got the 3 boxes of You by Kotex, the 2 Voss waters, the 2 Nature's Bounty Vitamins, the 3 Hallmark bags, and the 1 Hallmark bow, the CVS brand Tylenol, and the 2 boxes of Captain Crunch. So the only receipt that we actually paid anything out of pocket with was the receipt for the Voss water and the Captain Crunch. And I'm not sure what's going on with my receipt through checkout 51. Again, like I said, I should have checked my rebate before I even did the deal, even though I still want to do the deal anyways because it's still a good deal. But my rebate is $1.50 off of 2, and it's giving me 2 rebates. So I don't know. So what I'm going to do, even though it said that I am getting $6 back, I'm just going to count the $3 back. So that means with that receipt plus all my money makers, this is actually a $4.06 money maker. Guys, I'd say that's a pretty good deal, especially for the water, the cereal, even the vitamins. The vitamins were $14.99 regularly each. So go through your CRT, see what you can match them up with the sales, match them up with your coupons. Make sure that you have the Ibotta and Fetch downloaded. If not, the link's in the description box as well as in the comments. And the link is also in there for all the other rebates such as Shopkick and Inbox Dollars. So guys, I thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for always watching. Let me know what you end up getting. Let me know which vitamins that you decide to get. And until the next time, keep on saving.